So what I did was I put popcorn inside this wiffle ball before it was popped, and I put it in the microwave and popped it. So now there's popcorn that won't come out unless she somehow gets to it.
Pull it up.
I handed it to her this time. Usually she'll pull the chain right up to the ball. That was a tough one compared to the other one, isn't there, Sammers? Too hard for you? Nope. Good bird. She makes really short work of these little wiffle balls, boy. Oh, don't fall. And he's getting jealous over there. Oh. Sammy didn't know about all these new noises. You give up? Oh, she saw my wife. That's it.